In order for you to do browsing with XGate, it's an add-on feature. To use XWeb, you push the XWeb icon. XGate will ask you if you want to go online, and at that point it should run the browser. And we are now running Firefox, and we've come up with basically a default home page which has got a bunch of mobile links to make it easier for the end user. The first time a user uses XWeb, it's going to ask him for a username and a password. He needs to enter his XGate username and password, and then tell Mozilla to remember it. Now, we're browsing with compression. Let's go to the full CNN.com webpage. This is a full-blown web page. Several things that you'll notice here. One, the images are really blocky. And that's really great because if you take a look at the image size, you'll notice that that image on that home page is all of 3.5 kilobytes. Let's just open up a regular web browser. And let's just go to the CNN homepage and see how big that image really is. CNN.com. Here's my image. If I come here and I say inspect element, because I'm running Chrome, I will see that that image is 49.69 kilobytes. All right, so let's compare that. That's 49.6 kilobytes versus 3.5 kilobytes. That means that that image is more than 10 times smaller in XWeb than it is on the original page. You'll also note that there are no ads on the page. The ads have all been removed. So XWeb resamples your images, it removes the ads, and compresses all the text into gzip streams. So for this particular page, we know that we get about a 6x compression ratio because this is a page that we use a lot. But on average, you will see a 3 to 5x compression ratio for most of the pages that you browse with XWeb. Now, that's going to translate to a huge savings. You notice that the pictures really are quite blocky, but they're still very usable. If we go back to XGate, if you go to Settings, Preferences, you'll notice under XWeb that you can change the compression level. And so if you change the compression level to none or to minimum, then you'll notice that the image quality will be much better, but your overall performance will be a little less. XWeb uses Firefox for its engine. On Windows, it uses Internet Explorer. Of course, there is no Internet Explorer on the Mac, and you can't use it there. So you can use either Internet Explorer or Firefox on Windows, and it's just a standard Firefox. You can just download that from the internet. With the Mac version, we have that bundled in with the application.